You don't want to miss this giveaway. It's the Henna Guy's 12th birthday, and we're starting things off with a hair care bundle. This bundle will come with a duo shampoo and conditioner. Our duos come in 4 scents: tea tree and peppermint, lavender and geranium, lemongrass and rosemary, and unscented. This kit also comes with a scalp massager, so you can use that when you're shampooing or if you're applying oils to your hair to kind of help get it into your scalp. So this kit will also include 1 ounce rosemary oil with 8 ounces of castor oil. You can mix these together. It's great for hair growth. This bundle is also going to include our Soften and Condition hair combo. That's 100 grams of amla hair powder and 100 grams of hibiscus hair powder, and it will come with a card that shows you how to use it. It also comes with dry shampoo, so you're not overwashing your hair. You can use that in between shampoos. And lastly, it's going to come with our MircoFiber hair turban. It's gentle on your hair. Click the link below and enter to win. Good luck, because